Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's sure to keep your furry friends entertained for hours. We found this innovative toy online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Let's take a closer look at the Smart Rolling Pet Ball, an interactive toy designed for both dogs and cats. The Smart Rolling Pet Ball is an electric, active toy that rolls around on its own, sparking your pet's natural instincts to chase and play. With the press of a button, this ball springs to life, providing endless interactive fun. Whether your furry friend is a curious kitten or an energetic puppy, this toy is crafted to keep them engaged and active, ensuring that they stay entertained even when you're busy. One of the standout features of the Smart Rolling Pet Ball is its built-in intelligent motion sensors that allow it to navigate around obstacles. This means no more stuck toys under the couch or behind furniture. The ball is designed to change direction whenever it encounters an obstacle, ensuring that the fun never stops. Your pets can chase it around the house without interruption, which is a huge plus for both them and you. The ball offers customizable play modes to cater to different play styles and energy levels. It has 3 dynamic modes: fast, slow, and interactive. If your pet enjoys a fast-paced chase, you can set it to the fast mode. For those moments when they prefer a more relaxed interaction, the slow mode is perfect. The interactive mode adds an element of unpredictability, keeping your pets on their toes. This versatility makes it suitable for cats and dogs of all ages and energy levels. Another great feature of the Smart Rolling Pet Ball is its impressive battery life. After just a quick 30-minute charge, the ball can provide up to 6 hours of non-stop playtime. This means more quality time for your pets to indulge in their playful instincts without the hassle of constant recharging. You can simply set it up and let your pets enjoy their time while you focus on other tasks. When it comes to cleaning, the Smart Rolling Pet Ball makes it easy. Its smooth surface is designed for convenience, allowing you to wipe it down effortlessly after each play session. Plus, it's crafted from durable, eco-friendly materials, so you can rest assured knowing that your pets are playing with a safe toy that won't harm them. So, who is this toy suitable for? If you have a cat that loves to chase or a dog that needs to burn off some energy, this interactive ball is a fantastic fit. It's perfect for indoor play, especially during those rainy days when outdoor activities are limited. Whether you're at home or away, the Smart Rolling Pet Ball provides a solution for keeping your pets entertained and active. In practical use, you could set the ball rolling in a room while you work or relax nearby. Watch as your pets engage with it, pouncing and chasing around the house. It's also a great way to stimulate their physical and mental health, reducing boredom and preventing behavioral issues that can arise from inactivity. In summary, the Smart Rolling Pet Ball is a fantastic addition to any pet owner's collection of toys. With its endless interactive fun, smart obstacle avoidance, customizable play modes, long-lasting battery life, and easy cleaning features, it's designed to keep your pets engaged and happy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.